Hello and happy September. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. It has been a minute since I filmed a video for this channel and I wanted to catch up with you guys. I wanted to talk about my room design and give you a little update on how that's been going, and then also talk about some new pieces that I got from J.Crew. I have one thing from Taylor because I'm getting ready and shopping for fall. I'm doing a little bit of pre-fall shopping. Now, to preface, I live in Florida, so we don't really get fall weather, but I do like to dress seasonally and I do like to do a little bit of shopping at the beginning of the season. So I hope that you guys are well. Please let me know how you're doing in the comments and how your summer was. I also want to show you around my room and show you some new things that I got. I'm kind of treating this like a dressing room slash office or slash filming space because I do want to start uploading more frequently. But yeah, like I was saying, I did get a few things for my fall wardrobe. Now, J.Crew was having their, I don't know if any of you saw, but they were having 40% off pre-fall and summer items. So I did get a few things from there. As I was shopping for my room, I discovered this website called Brook and Lou. Looks like this. It's a very pretty color. Their whole website matched the color of my room, which is probably why I wanted to make an order. But I guess I will start first with what I got from Taylor, just because this is a little more dressy. I wanted to work on, I talked about in the spring how I got rid of so much in my closet, and I really wanted to start over building those classic pieces again in my wardrobe, those classic basics, with my style in the way that it is now. So it's been a few years since I've done a huge revamp in my wardrobe, and Taylor was having a sale and only one item has come in so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to style these together and try them on for you the way that I normally do. Sorry, that's really loud. But I'm going to do it in my new mirror so you guys can see that, and I will show you around my room a little bit at first. I'm not going to do a full room tour just yet, just because I'm not finished, but I would love to get some of your input and see what you think. I do have a couple of other ideas and pieces that I haven't purchased yet. But yeah, I hope that you guys are doing well. Please let me know in the comments how you've been. So before I do the haul, I wanted to show you first, kind of give you a little bit of a room tour, but not go into every detail quite yet. This is the dresser that I did DIY. This is from IKEA. I can't remember the exact model, but I'll put it here on the screen. But basically what we did, so we got these pieces of wood from Lowe's, I believe, and we sawed them to fit like a frame on each individual drawer, and then used this raffia cloth from Joann for the background, and this you just put on with Mod Podge. Now, like I said, none of this was my idea. I got this from the Lone Fox here on YouTube. I'll link his video below if you're interested. These pulls are from Amazon. And then I had talked about what color I wanted to paint it, and I ended up going with what's called an antique white or antique pink from Magnolia, the Magnolia brand. I was going to do the Caitlin Wilson color, but I really fell in love with how this was a very subtle, warm pink. It looks almost white, just with a little tint of warmth. It's very, very pretty. I don't know if it's coming up on camera really well. Oh no, he's bringing his toy in here. Hello! Hello! Hey, Mickey. Mickey. He's very interested in that. And this is his other toy. This is Hedgehog. There's Hedgehog. Oh! Alright, these three panels here, I showed how we were going to start doing this with the wallpaper. So this is wallpaper that I ordered from Etsy, and then it took me forever to figure out. I knew that I wanted to try to do it so it was a temporary fix, because we're renting right now, and I don't know how much longer we're going to be here. So I wanted something that I could take down easily without, and also something that wouldn't catch a glare if I filmed in front of it, because if I framed them, then these would be glass and they would catch the light. So this was the solution. I got some foam core board from Hobby Lobby. They had a very large piece that I just cut into these panels, and then I stuck the wallpaper on this with the help of Matt. I did not do all of this alone. I can't take full credit. And then I found this border actually on Amazon. Okay, I ran out of memory, so I don't know where it cut off, but I basically found this on Amazon. This is a PVC border, so people, I saw in the pictures, they were putting this around mirrors and stuff just to kind of make it look nice, but it's not really the nicest. It's just a, you know, PVC. Like I could probably stick my nail in it and it would make a little indentation. But it's a nice quick fix, and it had adhesive on the back, so they just stuck on so easily, and it was exactly what I wanted to make this very how should I say it? It was budget friendly, but also easy for me to take on and off if I need to, if we move. And I just stuck them on with command strips. So yes, that is the DIY dresser and the 3 panels that I did with wallpaper. Now over here in this corner, this is something that will change. I want to get an armchair here. I want it to be really cozy. I want this to be a spot where I can come and curl up and read. I went and put one of our armchairs from our living room in here, and I really liked the way that it looked because I wanted to see with sizing and everything how it would look. So I want to get something similar to that, maybe a big floor lamp here over it. I would ideally love to do some wall sconces on either side. However, this is a little too tall, so I don't think that that would work. I think I'm gonna have to do a floor lamp here, and then maybe a little side table or a garden stool here. But yeah, I think eventually once I can find an armchair for this corner, it will look a little more put together right now with that space and everything. And then this chair just doesn't really go. This was from IKEA. I think we got that right when we moved into this apartment. This clothing rack, you know what? I'm actually gonna share all of this in another video coming up. I'll do an entire room tour, but I will link this down below. This is from Amazon. It's not in stock very often. It took me forever for it to finally get in stock so that I could buy it, but I wanted it because it kind of goes into the corner here. This room is kind of oddly shaped, so I have a hallway here and then another closet. So I wanted something that could kind of go along both of these walls, and this opens up and you can close it. It just folds right here. See, there's little hinges right here. But yeah, that was an Amazon find. This lamp is from Caitlin Wilson. This actually just arrived this week, and I fell in love with the detail here, how it looks like it's a melted candle, and it's just so gorgeous. I loved the way that this looked, and I wanted something tall and thin to not take away from the wallpaper too much. I'll show you more of this later. I have my perfume collection here. This is something that I just found at Target. It was only, I think it was $12. Here is the vanity table that I found. So this is a very affordable piece from Wayfair. I just wanted something that would fit right here, and it's a really small space. And then I actually got this mirror and this mirror from Hobby Lobby. So I was on the hunt for something that kind of looked like the one from Anthropologie, but was a lot more budget friendly. I still need to get a rug for in front of the mirror, so I haven't been able to find one of those yet. I'm thinking about getting something that will extend further, and then get a larger rug for in here that'll go up under the dresser and everything. The carpet in here is just so dark and dull, and I don't like it at all. And then this is where the gold etagere was that I had, and I replaced it because I needed a space for my shoes. I replaced it just with this shoe piece from IKEA. And then this is probably the messiest part right now. This is my desk from IKEA, the 2 IKEA drawers. It's the same one that I've always had. And then I just did 2 shelves above my desk that I haven't styled yet. There's another hat that goes here, but I can't find it. I need to find that and hang that one up. And then I don't have a desk chair just yet, but I'm working on that. So this is kind of where I'm at right now. Let me know what you think, and I'll do another video just kind of telling you about a little bit more about each thing and where I got it from. I'll show you this dress that I have on right now. It's a little bit dark in here. I need to figure out lighting. But yeah, this is from Abercrombie, and you could probably find it on sale now because I know that I have this other one here. This one that I got at the same time, and I just saw that it was on sale for I think $35 or something like that last weekend. So I'll link it down below if you're interested, if you need something, if you live in a warmer climate like me and you can still get away with wearing your summer dresses. Okay, so I wanted to show you really fast what I got from Ann Taylor. This is just one of the items, but I did get several, but they haven't arrived yet. I just put it on with this Lily silk cami that I had in here. I don't have a strapless bra on, so just ignore that. But I didn't really want to style this right yet. I wanted to show you with just a cami on first so that you could get a good idea of how it fits. So I have it here on my waist. This is a size 2 petite, so this is what the length is on me. It's the perfect length, I think. It has a zipper closure with a little clip, hook and eye clasp, and it has such a nice weight to the fabric. That's the one something that I don't know if it's coming up on camera, but it just has a really nice weight. Sometimes I've had pleated skirts in the past and they just don't lay well. They kind of start to look a little frumpy because they're not heavy enough to keep the fabric down and the pleats looking really clean, and this one is perfect. Okay, next is this A-line dress from J.Crew. This is what I thought was going to be my favorite item that I got from J.Crew, but I gotta say, I think it's going to be returned. It's a little too long, which I could definitely get taken up, so I think it should hit me about right here. This didn't come in petite, and I'm 5 feet tall, but I don't know, it's very slimming here in the waist, and it does have pockets, which is really cute. It has this really nice detail in the back. It's structured and it looks really nice. I just think it overwhelms me on the top. I feel like with the pleating style here and the larger, they're cuffed sleeves, it just, I don't know, something about it makes me feel like it's a bit overwhelming on my figure, but I just don't love it. And for the price, I just think it's gonna be something that I'm gonna return, even though it is beautiful. It was beautiful on the model, it just doesn't work on me. Okay, so this next top from J.Crew I thought would be appropriate because it does have kind of a quarter length sleeve, but it's got these cutouts, so it's appropriate for a Florida fall. It's a nice ivory color, it's a cotton fabric, so it's lightweight, and I just thought it was a nice top that can be dressed up or down. I can throw it on with even a pair of shorts right now. I also picked up this belt because I needed to refresh mine in my wardrobe, and it's just a nice classic. I like the width of it. It's not too thin, but not too thick. But yeah, this is just a nice basic top that I can throw on, dress up or down, and I really liked the detail on the sleeve. Okay, the next piece that I got from J.Crew is this gorgeous cable knit cardigan with these beautiful metal buttons, and I needed something like this in my wardrobe. I love that it's more of a relaxed fit. It just is one of those pieces that you can throw on and wear buttoned up like this, or you can throw it on over your shoulders, take it with you, kind of adds a little element to an outfit. It is such a beautiful cable knit. The fabric has a nice weight to it without being overly heavy. This is the perfect piece that you could wear probably spring and fall, I would imagine. I got it in this ivory shade just because I thought it would be really nice and versatile, but I love the details on this. The buttons are so beautiful. It looks really classy and elegant. I think the buttons really dress it up and give it a nice elevated look. This next one is great if you're looking for a basic white tee that's a bit more dressed up. So you could wear this to work with some dress pants, but you could also dress this down, and it has these really cute puff sleeve detail with this little twist almost in the sleeve, or not almost, it is a twist, but it's really pretty, very flattering, I think. I think this one came in a few different colors too. I kind of want to pick this up, and I think they had a navy just because I think that that one will be really nice. This is just a great basic white tee with a little bit of a twist, quite literally. Oh my god, that was so cheesy. Sorry. I also wanted to mention the lipstick that I'm wearing because I have been obsessed with this color. It's from YSL and it's in the shade O. I can't read it. I need my glasses. Oh my gosh. Okay, number 44, I think is what I can see. I'll put it linked down below, but it's such a gorgeous color. Let me show you. It's this really pretty kind of lavendery pink. Really nice and cool tone. It's so beautiful, but I love this. I've been obsessed with it, wearing it every single day recently. Last but not least, I'll show you what I got from Brook and Lou. This is packaged so nicely. Now, I don't know much about their brand. I need to look into it a little bit more, but as soon as I saw these frames, I had to get them. Okay, so this first thing is kind of silly. It just grabbed my attention at the last minute when I was checking out. But these are on sale for $12, little measuring spoons, brass measuring spoons. So these are beautiful. Oh, they're stainless steel. Those are gorgeous. But yeah, these are only $12. They are on sale. So if I can find them, if they still have them on the site, I'll link them down below for you guys. So both of these are, I think they should be the same, but it came in a set of 2. All right, let's see, this is the bigger one of the 2. Oh wow. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's just a silica. These, oh, they smell good. Look at how beautiful. a scallop wicker frame. That is what I was looking for, and as soon as I saw these, I had to get it. So they came in a set of 2. I'll open the other one so you guys can see that. So this one is a 4x6, and then this one is a 5x7. Aren't they so pretty? So I thought they could either go side by side next to each other, or I can put one in one space and one somewhere else. And I don't even have to put them in this room. They go with, we have kind of just that coastal, kind of traditional style throughout our house. So I love these. They're gonna go so perfectly in here. Really, really nice and sturdy. It's from a brand called Two's Company. Oh, and they have a website, twoscompany.com. Very cool. Okay, so that is it for today's video. Again, I want to say a huge thank you for being patient with me while I've been away. I know that I say that a lot here on this channel, and I've been very sporadic, and I would love to be able to get back to focusing on this channel more. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your patience with me. I hope that you're all doing well. Please let me know how you've been in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, because it really does help my videos get found and not get hidden. But yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you very soon.